Hey guys, want to take your mortgage company to the next level and beat your competition? You got to check this out. This is a game changer. I'm talking about CALYX's cloud-based LOS with point of sale built in, with role-based workflow, online application, and borrower portal all included. Let's take a look at the online application. Every LO will get their own landing page where they can post a video introducing themselves, a mortgage calculator, and a button where the borrower can start their online application. Now, when the borrower clicks the Get Started button, this will take them into their online interview where they can provide their contact information, their address. They can start entering information about the loan they're looking for and the property that they're looking for. That will then move into their personal information where they can check a box to give you permission to pull their credit along with their social security number and their date of birth. Then that will move into their finances, their declarations, their demographics, a page where they can upload documents to you, and then the final page where they submit the online interview. And when they click the submit button, this online application data will automatically upload into the Path pipeline and send the loan officer a notification alerting them they have a new online application that has come in. Now let's take a look at workflow. Let's log into Path. Now, workflow consists of two pipelines, a desk pipeline and a cabinet pipeline. The desk pipeline will show the user all the loans that they are currently working on. These are loans that have tasks waiting for the user to go in and take care of. The cabinet pipeline is going to show the user all the loans that they're not currently working on. These loans are on someone else's desk, they're in another department being worked. So let me demonstrate that workflow. Let's go back to my desk. And let's say that I started this Bobby Ewing application. Now I'm ready to send it to the processor. So I'm going to go into this Bobby Ewing loan. I'm going to go to my send status screen. I'm going to go down here and click submit to processing. Now, when I do that, by clicking a single button, Path is going to deliver this loan to the processor's desk. It's going to update the status to submit it to processing. It will send the processor an automatic notification, and it will name, date, and timestamp that action for loan visibility. So now, when I get out of this Bobby Ewing loan, you'll notice it's no longer on my desk because I've sent Bobby Ewing to the processor, which means Bobby Ewing is now in my cabinet pipeline. Let's take a look at loan visibility. Let's go down into this John Peterson loan here and go to our send status screen. Now in Path, as the loan is going from desk to desk, all of those actions are tracked, very similar to how FedEx tracks a package. So when you're in a loan, not only do we have a status history of the loan changing its different statuses, but we also have what we call send assign history. So you can see when the LO sent the loan to the processor and what processor was assigned the loan. And then when the processor sent the loan to the underwriter and what underwriter was assigned the loan. And when the underwriter sent the loan to the closer funder and what closer funder was assigned the loan. And so on and so on. Now, a couple benefits of this are that not only do you know everywhere the loan has been, but by going to this screen, you know who currently has it. So in this case, I know the closer funder has it, and I know if the closer funder has started working on it. Because when a department gets a loan sent to their desk and they first go into that loan to start working it, they're going to stamp it in processing or in underwriting or in closing. So that way, when I go here, I know automatically that the closer funder has it and they started working on it at this date and time down to the second. Now let's take a look at the screens that are included with Path. Let's log into my manager role where I've got all screens turned on, go into a loan, go into our screen drop down. Now Path has screens for origination, for processing, for underwriting, for closing, and for post-closing. So all the screens you need to produce a loan. Path has lock-related screens, screens for pricing, lock management, and secondary market management. Path has compliance screens, so screens for fees and for disclosures and for monitoring compliance. Now, Path also has document storage built in, so it's a full doc management suite. And then Path has interfaces. In fact, over 210 vendors are integrated inside Path. Vendors for credit, AUS, doc vendors, appraisal, compliance engines, flood, fraud, MI, verifications. The whole gambit of mortgage services are available inside Path. Now, Path was designed to prevent incomplete loan files from moving forward and to produce accurate docs. This will speed up your processing times and cut down on costly errors. This concludes this video. I appreciate your time watching. I'm telling you, Path is amazing and you will love it. Please reach out to me to learn more. I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for your time.